Oh my god.
It's just so spicy.
Yummy.
It's like mix of spicy, then sour, then became sweet
A
again.
little bit salty. Oh, you got it sa hilaw dali oh. Oh,
This
yeah,
one.
more.
Is there a window open?
Look at this one.
Dumbo. Ah!
Alright, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another quarantine.
Episode. Huh?
So this time, medyo dagan mi gibuhat karon.
Mangoes.
Nagluto mi og saging, tapos magisa mi og ginamos. Salamat day kang Kuya Rufus sa ginamos ni Kuya Rufus. Jordan ako online. Ako nga waton si Manny Pacquiao ang ginamos challenge. Yummy! Ginamos challenge. By the way, kamulo karon no gaga ka grass fire.
There we go.
Ang mo mga kabukiran diri sa may Westwoods.
There's fire!
It's trending on Twitter.
There's fire!
Mo ni ang resulta sa banana cake gahapon. It's better. Pero burag kulang pag siya ganang burag mas wala pag wag siya nga ni bukad jud ba. The softness. Ang lasa mao na. Pero mura siya og kanang fruit cake no. Kanang fruit cake no. Kanang fruit cake no. No, bro na mo sa comment below kung unsay kulang ka. Yung namin na. Ang lasa mo ha. Kulang na tataka ng bukad pa. Yummy. So gisaw na mo ang ginamos. Not namin ang dili gisaw. So una well, gisa-gisa. Ano na to say comment yan nila pag mutilaw sila og ginamos. Ginamos. Ginamos is cooked. Come here, kids. Come here.
What?
Let's eat ginamos.
That. What is ginamos? Please, Dad. This?
Oh, that.
Dad.
Ginisang ginamos.
Sige na sa ginamos.
What is ginamos? Ginamos thing.
This looks appetizing. You're supposed to get that and dip it in here?
Yeah. I mean, this is how you eat it.
Monster Inc.
Saging.
It's just like regular banana. Is it?
Yeah, yun. Get the ginamos.
That's what you dip it in.
Nandito ako para ilibing ang kapatid
What's
ko.
that, liver?
Ginamos gali.
What's ginamos?
Small fish. Di asa mo ginamos ani bi?
Sino ka?
Puro man ni kamatis.
Oh, magsasabaw, magsagod.
Ay dili di siya kanang dagan unod. So pag
Oh, not kamatis. So you're just gonna dip it in?
kuha lang hilaw bi.
Just do it that.
No, yummy.
I have
This version is this ginamos version is
chocolate.
una man ita na. Puro man una wa may
Unod.
unod.
Daddy.
Just get the
Daddy,
banana then
what
you
is
dip the ginamos there.
They're here.
Here na. Ginisa man na this one here. The pure ginamos. Hmm.
Okay.
Go.
Daddy, how can you
At least
get
it's more appetizing.
Daddy, how can you get it? It's so hot.
You get it. So hot. And wala asa man tea.
So hot.
So hot. You get it. It's so hot.
Can you open a plate? How will you do it? You just do it
It's
in
so
a
hot.
in a fork.
Yeah, come on, everybody.
It's so hot.
The ginamos is here. Dip the ginamos. Up, dip the ginamos. Dip the banana.
Dip the ginamos.
Put what, mommy? Yeah, there.
Put some
To make it more.
sweet.
No, just the fragrance. Everybody, everywhere you cannot see you. Everybody, everywhere you cannot see you.
Daddy.
It's sour.
1, 2, 3, then bite.
So hot.
Ow, so
Don't lick it, bite.
it's hot.
Mmm.
It's yummy for Daddy. How about?
Mmm. Whoa.
Whoa!
Put more, man.
It's so hot. I cannot eat it.
Oh, you got it sa hilaw dali oh. Come on, here, more.
Is there a window open?
Look at this one.
Come up it. Kanina lang.
Let's get all these iPad and stuff.
Dip.
You get all these iPad.
Dip.
You get the iPad and the
Yeah.
phone.
No, just transport it. Good pa. Hawa ba? Palayo ba?
Why is it sour?
Oh, dip. One more.
Why is it
Let me
big?
see. Dip the.
Why is it
ginamos.
spicy-ish?
Because there's calamansi. There. You can eat it first.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Mmm. Yummy.
It's like mix of spicy, then sour, then became sweet
A
again.
little bit salty.
A little bit salty, spicy.
Labor. What happened to you?
I don't like it first.
Huh? You consume the saging. One saging.
I did.
Wala po. Wala po na isugad. You hurot that. Come on, dip.
My hair hurts. It
It's
hurts.
so spicy.
No.
Ish.
Give me water.
Come on, here. Come on, dunk. Dunk to the ginamos. Labor, dunk. Dunk to the ginamos. Then to you.
I did it.
Better?
Oh my god.
It's just so spicy.
So, welcome back to the kids. I mean the family or the parents left us to the camera. Yeah.
Ooh,
This always happens.
avocado.
Is that ice cream?
Avocado yan.
It's sweet. For sure, because it's cold.
Oh. That tastes good. It actually tastes good.
Yeah.
It's like ice cream.
Avocado.
Avocado. Avocado with milk.
Oh, that tastes so good.
It tastes so good.
Can we exchange this with the in 4 p.m.?
will give you a reward.
I just want these bananas.
Almost a month pa ko nakainom og soft drinks balik. Ah.
Don't. It's been a while since I drank soft drinks.
Huh?
The last time I drank a soft drink was the last day of school.
That is breaking his tree.
Ah. Ang ginamos lang kay way unod puros una.
Yeah, I know this.
Where is the
Orange, very vitamin
That was
C.
appetizing.
as much as possible magdagko talaga tag kandila sa atong kuan, sa atong mga panimalay, ha? Magdagko talaga tag kandila, tapos iampo na lang nato mga gala. Di na gid kailangan nakita pag yun. Again, sa Biyernes Santo, i-procession niya po na motokig niya po na to ang Black Nazarene sa Cagayan de Oro. Pero ito nung kini sa curfew hours, anong walay diboto nga mga pilong mugawas og balay. Umatod pa ni Monsignor Perseus Cabunok, ang rektor sa Shrine of the Black Nazarene, mas maayo pang magdagkot na lang og kandila matag balay og iampo nga matapos na kining krisis sa COVID-19.
Panihapon na sad. Sige na lang tagkaon ani. After aning quarantine, wa na tay liog tanan. Ug tungod aning COVID, na chef natang tanan sa Facebook. Ang atong recipe karon ang ginataang tiyan sa malasugi. Kung asa tag 390 ang kilo sa online. Pasaylo ha? Pinobre lang sa taron. Dali ra kay pagluto niya ni, igisa lang ang bumbay, ahos, tapos luya. Dayon ibutang ang tiyan sa malasugi. Tapos timplahan og salt and pepper. I-Ingleso na to para sosyal. Ipirito sa kadyot. Tapos butangan og patis og suka gamay. Pagkahuman, butangan dayon sa gata. Hulati hantod maluto. Pag maluto, picture, tapos ipaibog dayon sa Facebook ug Instagram. Panindot tayo na lagi tsura, bahalag way lami. Og mura to. Okay, bye!